Hello, Grace. How are you doing today?
Hi, Archie. I'm doing very well, thank you. I've just made a nice cup of tea to warm up a little. How about you?
I'm good, thanks. A cup of tea sounds like a great idea. I was just looking out the window watching the clouds. It's been really strange weather this week, hasn't it?
Oh, it really has. I just don't understand it. One minute the sun is shining so brightly you feel like you need sunglasses,
Yeah.
and the very next it's pouring with rain and the wind is blowing. It's so unpredictable.
Exactly. It makes it so difficult to decide what to wear. I left the house this morning in a thin jacket, and now I'm wishing I'd brought a proper coat.
Oh, I know that feeling all too well. It's the worst. I did the opposite yesterday. I saw a bit of sun and left the house with just a light cardigan.
Right.
And of course, on my way home, the heavens opened. I got completely soaked. It wasn't fun at all.
Oh no. See, that's what I mean. Being unprepared for the weather can really affect your whole day, can't it? It just puts you in a bad mood.
It certainly does. That's why I think I prefer when the weather is more predictable, when you know what to expect from the day.
Like in summer, you mean? You generally know it's going to be warm at least.
Yes, exactly. I do love the summer. I love that the days are so long and it stays light outside until late in the evening.
Me too. It feels like you have so much more time. You can actually do things after work, like go for a walk or meet friends in the park.
That's the best part, isn't it? Having a barbecue with friends, or just being able to sit outside in the garden and read a book. It's so relaxing.
Totally. It just puts me in a better mood. But on the other hand, sometimes I can't believe how hot it gets. Do you remember that heat wave last July? It was really difficult.
I remember it very clearly. I found it so hard to sleep properly. Our bedroom is at the top of the house, and it was just too warm and stuffy at night, even with all the windows open.
I completely agree. And trying to work from home was a real challenge for me. My little office room gets all the sun in the afternoon, and it honestly felt like sitting in an oven.
Oh, that must have been tough. It's so hard to concentrate when you feel that hot and sticky. All you want to do is sit in front of a fan.
Exactly. And everything else changes too, doesn't it? Even what you want to eat. I don't feel like a big hot meal. I just want salads, fruit, and cold things.
Oh, definitely. Lots and lots of ice cream for me. It's funny though, isn't it? We wait all year for summer to arrive, and then when it finally does, we spend half our time complaining about how hot it is.
Yes, that's very true. We're never happy. But even with the heat, I think I still prefer it to the middle of winter. What about you?
You know, that's interesting. I think I might actually prefer the colder seasons. I really like autumn and winter.
Really? That's surprising. A lot of people find winter a bit depressing because it's so dark and cold.
I can understand that, but for me, I just love the feeling of being warm and cozy inside when it's cold and dark outside. It's the perfect excuse to slow down.
Right, that cozy feeling.
Yes, you can put on a warm, fluffy jumper, make a big mug of hot chocolate, and just relax on the sofa with a good film or a book. It's very peaceful.
I see your point. I suppose it is a good time for that. And what about the clothes?
Oh, I love winter clothes. It's nice to be able to wear boots and scarves and big warm coats. It feels much more comfortable to me than summer clothes.
That makes sense. I do like a good winter coat. But what I really don't like is how the days are so short. It starts getting dark before 5 o'clock in the afternoon.
Yes, I agree. That's the main downside for me too. It can make you feel a bit tired and less motivated when it's dark so early.
Definitely. And the transport can be a real problem too. If it snows or gets really icy, the whole country seems to just stop.
You're so right. I remember a few years ago we had just a few inches of snow and the trains were cancelled for 2 whole days. Getting anywhere was impossible.
Exactly. It's crazy. I like how snow looks when it's fresh and white on the ground. It looks so pretty and peaceful from the window.
It is beautiful.
But I really don't like trying to travel in it. It becomes messy and slippery so quickly.
I agree. It's lovely to look at, but not very practical for daily life. So, with all the pros and cons, maybe the middle seasons are the best after all. You know, spring and autumn.
Yes, perhaps you're right. I love spring. When everything starts to grow again and you see the first flowers and the days start getting longer and warmer. It feels so hopeful, doesn't it?
Oh, spring is wonderful. That first properly sunny, warm day of spring always makes me feel so happy and energetic. It's like the whole world is waking up again after a long sleep.
Yeah, it really is. And autumn has its own special beauty too. I love those crisp, clear autumn days. It's the perfect weather for going for a long walk.
It is. And the colours are just amazing. I can't believe how beautiful the parks look in October, with all the red, orange, and gold leaves on the trees and on the ground.
Definitely, it's so pretty. So I guess every season really does have something good about it, and something not so good.
That's a nice way to think about it. It's just that the endless grey, rainy days can be a bit much sometimes, no matter the season.
Yes, I agree, especially when it rains for a whole week without stopping. That can definitely affect my mood. I find it hard to feel positive and motivated on those days.
I'm exactly the same. A bit of sunshine just makes everything feel a little bit better and easier, doesn't it? What's it like where you live? Do you get a lot of extreme weather?
Not really extreme, no. We live more in the city, so it feels a bit more sheltered from the wind. But we get plenty of rain, of course. It's England, after all. How about your area?
Haha, very true. You can't escape the rain here. We're a bit closer to the countryside, with more open fields and hills around, though we seem to catch the clouds a bit more. I think we probably get even more rain than you.
Ah, okay, that makes sense. But I bet you get some lovely views when the sun does finally come out, with all the green hills.
Yes, we do. That's a nice bonus. It's very beautiful. But it does mean you always need an umbrella close by, just in case the weather changes suddenly.
Always. It's the number one rule. You can never trust the weather forecast completely, can you? It can say one thing and the weather does something totally different.
No, you really can't. My phone app said it would be sunny all day today, and as we've been talking, I'm sure I just saw a big grey cloud starting to form outside my window.
That's typical. Of course it did. Well, I'll keep my fingers crossed that it stays dry for you for the rest of the day.
Thank you, Archie. Me too. It was really nice talking to you about this.
You too, Grace. It's funny how much you can say about the weather. It's a classic topic for a reason.
It is. There's always something to say. Well, let's be sure to chat again very soon.
Definitely. You have a great rest of your day, Grace.
You too, Archie. Bye for now.